Thursday, July 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. We'll start with a look from the Avalon Pier web camera and the Beach Mountain Parkway camera, courtesy of ResortCams.com. We're here early this morning, cutting the video about 5:40, and at that point in time, you had a temperature of 58 there at Beach Mountain. The Kill Devil Hill site not reporting at the moment. And there is a bit of a data outage. You might have noticed that on some of the various products floating around on television and social media, the FAA run sites. It appears having some issues at times early this morning. Temperatures yesterday made it into the mid and upper 80s in many spots across the region. There's your Triad area high temperatures, again mid to upper 80s, very similar around the Charlotte viewing area. It did clip 90 in Concord, everybody else shy of 90 yesterday. And there's your temperatures during the 5 o'clock hour. A lot of 70s on the board. It is a mild and a humid start. Very hazy day yesterday, and that really wasn't the prettiest of days. Kind of that brownish almost appearance to the sky through much of the day, and that milkiness to the sky kind of held temperatures down a couple of degrees more than otherwise would have occurred. As expected yesterday, the coverage of storms not that great. There's the radar from yesterday afternoon and the evening. There was a pretty intense storm that rolled right through parts of the Triad viewing area during the 7 and 8 o'clock hours yesterday. And again, you had some storm reports in terms of wind damage, a couple of them in Rockingham County, a couple of them in Randolph County, other scattered wind reports here and there across the region. Really not a whole lot until you get down into southern South Carolina and parts of Georgia. The main action really yesterday, as expected, was off to the west of us. Now, this is the current radar as I'm cutting the video. We're watching this band of rain and storms advance from Kentucky into Tennessee and northeastern Georgia, western North Carolina, arcing back from there toward the Ozarks region. A lot of flooding issues back into Missouri this morning. And that is really caused by a disturbance that's heading in our general direction. Watch this on the high-resolution modeling as we go through today. You can, if you look carefully, you can see right up there the disturbance driving this, and as that approaches, it should give us a decent round of some scattered showers and storms today. Now, at the moment, your slight risk extends back west of the mountains. Nothing in the areas of the Piedmont or the Midlands of South Carolina in terms of a slight risk, just a marginal risk. But the bottom line is I think there will probably be a few severe thunderstorm warnings necessary later today as these scattered showers and thunderstorms roll through. Here's the high-resolution perspective focus on the Carolinas, and again, you notice that scattering of showers and thunderstorms rolling through this afternoon and this evening, and again, I think some damaging winds are a possibility with any of the storms that roll through. 80s for a lot of our highs, some low 90s down toward Columbia, the Sandhills, and Wilmington. Now tomorrow, again, a similar day. I think another pretty convectively active day, another day with good chances for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. There's your Friday highs across the region. And then here we go with the 4th of July. I think what you see here on Futurecast might be a little worse than what actually occurs. I do think some scattered thunderstorms, but kind of just your typical hit and miss type of stuff for Saturday afternoon. Your highs for the 4th, not bad. Workable for any of those activities you have, but just be aware you will have to dodge some scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms Saturday. All right, tropics, still quiet. Nothing really happening of significance in the Gulf of Mexico or the Caribbean Sea, and still mostly quiet through the vast majority of the Atlantic Ocean, so no issues there. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.